Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a kicking and a banning laser in ROBLOX Studio. So first you're going to want to start by going to View and making sure your Explorer and your properties are both open. So click both. If they're already open, awesome. If not, open them. Second, you're going to want to make the actual part for the laser. So I'm going to use a cylinder. You can use any type of, you can use a sphere if you want. You can use a wedge. That'd be a pretty weird looking laser, but you suit yourself. So I will be using a cylinder, and I think my cylinder spawned way not where I need it to be. Okay, so this is going to be our laser right here. So you're going to want to start by putting it where you want it to be. All right. Once we have our laser in place, you're going to want to first name it, then go to properties, find the color, change it to whichever color you want. I'm going to do red for this video. Change it to the material you want. So if you want it to glow, I would use neon. If you want it to kind of look cool, you can use marble. It's up to you. I'm going to use neon for this video. All right. Next, you're going to want to scroll down and you're going to want to make sure anchored is turned on. What this does is make sure it stays in place, because if you don't anchor it, it will literally just fall. It'll be like a free falling object. It won't stay in place, if that makes any sense. Next, you're going to want to insert a script into the laser. So just insert a normal script, not a local script, not a module script, just a normal script. And you're going to want to type, first you're going to want to set a reason for somebody being kicked. So local reason is equal to, and then you can set whatever you want. You touched the laser. Next, you're going to want to type in script.parent, and this just accesses the parent of the script, which is the laser. .touched, so when it's touched, connect, and this just makes it run a function when it's touched, or when this is invoked. Script.parent.touched connect function object inside of the parentheses. Next, you're going to want to do if object.parent colon find first child humanoid, then end. And what this does is just checks, is this a character? Is this some type of other object? And you're going to want to do game.players colon get player from character object.parent. And then you're going to want to do another colon after that. And you're going to want to type in kick. And then put your reason. Simple, really. So, now you save this. Yeah. And now, if I play the game. All right, so we're in the game now, and we're going to test out our laser. Just like that. You touch the laser, kicks you out. Very simple, very easy. So next, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make it permanently ban people. Before you start anything, for banning players, you want to go to game settings, you want to go to security, and you want to make sure enable studio access to API services is on. It will not work if it's not on. This is by default off, so make sure it is on. Go to game settings, make sure it's on. So what you're going to want to do is local dbs is equal to game colon get service, and then you're going to want to type in data store service, and yeah, what this is just a data store service. Local ban players is equal to dbs get data store ban players, or you can name this whatever you want, but you have to keep it consistent. And then you're going to want to make a ban function. So you're going to want to do function ban player, next. just hit enter and it'll automatically put in an end. And then you want to do band players. That's set async toString player dot user ID comma true, just like that. And you also want to do player colon kick, and then just put in reason here. Awesome. So now we're going to edit this part of the script down here. What we're going to do is we're going to do, so instead of using this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in band player, and then you're going to want to copy this, just this part and not the colon kick part, just like that. I want to save that. And now you're going to want to go to the server script service in the Explorer. So you go down, you're going to see workspace, which is pretty big right now. You're going to see server script service. You're going to want to go in here. You're going to want to insert a script. And we're going to name this the keep players band script. Players band, just like that. All right, so in this script, what you're going to want to do is start same way. Local DBS is equal to game colon get service database service. Simple, easy. And then local band players is equal to DBS get data store band players. Band players. Again, this has to be the same as the other one. If you make it different, it won't work. Next, you're going to want to type in game dot players dot player added. So this is executing a function when a player is added or when a player joins. And then you want to do if band players colon get async toString player dot user ID is equal to true, then, and you want to kick that person out. So player kick, and you also want to have a ban reason. So local ban reason is equal to we'll do your band. Simple as that. And now we're going to test it out. All right, so we're in. We're going to touch the laser. And I touched the laser. I'm kicked. We're going to leave the game. And we're going to see if I got banned. Yep, banned. Perfect. Now, you're probably wondering, so how do I unban people? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down here to the command line. If it's not open, it should be open, but if it's not, right here. So you go to view, it's this little icon right here. It's called the command bar. And what you're going to want to type in is game colon get service. All of these scripts and models and everything is going to be in the description, by the way. Get store data store service, get data store, band players, or whatever you named it. I named it band players. Remove async, and then you're going to want to do toString, and you're going to want to paste the person's student user ID in here. So, for example, I need my user ID. I need to unban myself, so I'm going to copy my user ID, paste it in here, and boom. And now, if I join, I shouldn't be banned anymore. Yes. But if I can get myself banned again. Boom, just like that. And again, if I rejoin, you're banned. Thank you all so much for watching.